I know y'all had to see all that Econo vinyl I got in the beginning. Don't act like you don't see it. I advise you going to get you some. I love it. Weeds like butter. But what we getting into today is some transfer vinyl. I'm doing some red shirts, or actually some white and black shirts with red lettering. And then we're also going to talk about T-square. These things. Although you never see me use it in a video, it's very important. All that and more after the intro. Excuse the sound in the background. That's that Cameo 4, which I believe is a little bit louder than the 3. I've always said that, and I'm going to do a comparison video soon. I just want to show you how great this is as far as bleeding goes, how quick I can move. Now I got quick 5 shirts to make, so with the weeding being this easy, just be able to knock them right on out. Be careful though, because you don't want to tear off any of the lettering. What's my signature saying? These like butter, baby. So typically, when doing alignments, it's 3 inches down from the collar, which I've gotten pretty good with my hand. But for those that don't have that, you're going to want to get this. This is a logo gridded. It comes with the T and then a little slide unit in the middle, and you can slide depending on the size. So we're going to actually place this on the shirt. And when you do it, I usually go from the top of the shirt where the arrow is pointing to the middle of the collar. Then I take my slider and I put it on. I come down to the 3, which is right there. And then I will place my image on there, depending on where that 3 is at. So the 3 is up here. You can almost not see it because this is blocking it, but my B would be somewhere in there. And make sure that it's straight. That's what this horizontal line is for. Tap one corner, move this out the way, and you're perfectly centered. Now, this customer doesn't want it like that. This customer wants it at a crooked angle, so we'll get into angles in a whole different video. And they also offer, when you get the logo gridded, the right pocket. And what it has is a number grid going across and the number grid going down. And usually you want to stay in 3 to 4 inches away from the collar and closer to the right, avoiding going up underneath the seams of the shirt. This was a big learning curve for me. At first, my stuff was crooked and all messed up, and I was still using the logo gridded. So it takes some time and some experience. Just pay attention, research, do your due diligence, and really learn how to use it. So now we're getting ready to press the images onto the shirts after they've been weeded out. My temperature is at 320 and I'm pressing for 15 seconds on medium to firm pressure. Make sure that you cover these shirts up, especially if you're using the Georges, because you'll get a yellowing effect if not. The customer may not see it, but you'll definitely see it if you're the one pressing and you pay attention. I am a perfectionist when it comes to this, so I thought it's only right that I share this information. I make the mistake so you don't have to. So just peruse through all my videos. And if you got to mess up on a couple, do it and do it and do it until you get it right. What you jumping for, girl? It's that auto open feature. So we'll take it over here to a cooler area and we'll begin to peel. It should come right off. It feels great. So I'll fold it and get it ready for the customer, and then I'll package it up. Because packaging is everything. So we come to the end of this video. It's going to be on the Heat Transfer Vinyl playlist. If you like this, hit that like button. Share it. Comment, even if you don't like it, say something, man. I'm going to respond, at least for the first 100 or so. And like I always say, I make the mistakes so you don't have to. Until the next one, I'm out. gotta get more Econotransfer. Quick!